Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a worksheet in Excel. Deleting worksheets helps in removing unnecessary data and keeping your workbook organized. Deleting a worksheet is permanent. Ensure that you do not need any of the data on the worksheet before deleting it. If a worksheet is protected, you might need to unprotect it before you can delete it. Keeping those in mind, let's dive into the steps. Start by opening the workbook and selecting the worksheet you want to delete. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on Delete and then select Delete Sheet. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete to confirm. You can also delete a worksheet using the right-click context menu. Right-click on the Worksheet tab at the bottom of the Excel window. From the context menu, select Delete. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete to confirm. That's it. To recap, we've covered two methods to delete a worksheet, using the ribbon and the right-click context menu. Deleting unused sheets keeps your workbook neat and organized. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.